Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna be making this breakfast smoothie that will help you to lose weight. This smoothie is packed with vitamins and minerals which will help you to detoxify your system, boost your overall metabolism and keep you in shape. If that is what you are looking for, then keep watching. The first ingredient that we're going to be needing is apple. I will be needing an apple for this recipe. An apple a day takes you far from your doctor, right? This is true because apple contains lots of vitamins and minerals. The filling effects of apples may reduce the appetite and leads to weight reduction. Apples have several properties that increase fullness and it will help you to lose weight. They are packed with flavonoid that will help you to burn belly fat. They contain vitamins and minerals and antioxidants which will help you to fight against those illnesses in your body. The next ingredient that we're going to be needing is cucumber. I'll be using 1 large cucumber for this recipe. Cucumbers are high in nutrients. They are very low in calories, but they are high in many important vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C. They also contain high amounts of antioxidants. They may help in promoting hydration because they contain high amount of water which will help to hydrate your skin. They are also very good for weight loss. They will help in burning belly fat. They are also very good in lower your blood sugar level and also promote regularity. The next ingredient that we're going to be needing is ginger. Ginger contains gingerol which will help you to fight against inflammation in your body. They will help in suppressing your appetite, thereby helping you not to crave for more calories. They will help in getting rid of gas in your bowels and also fight against constipation. So if you bloat a lot, ginger is one of the ingredients that will help you to fight against bloating. They will also help you in fighting against bad colon. If you are suffering from bad gut, ginger will help in curing bad guts. The next ingredient that we're going to be needing is avocado. I'll be using 2 avocados for this recipe. Avocados contains high amount of monounsaturated fatty acid which will help you to keep you full. They are very healthy and nutritious. They contain potassium which is very good for weight loss. They are also very good in lower your cholesterol levels. If you are suffering from high level of cholesterol, avocado is a very good source that will help you to lower your cholesterol level, and it's very healthy when trying to lose weight because it contains healthy fats which will keep you full for a very long time. So the next ingredients that we're going to be needing is spinach. I will be using a bowl of spinach for this recipe. Spinach help to reduce your blood sugar level. They are very good source of iron. They are very good for your bone health. They contain calcium, anti-inflammatory properties which will help you to fight against inflammation in your body. So we're going to be transferring all ingredients into our blender. We'll be adding 2 cups of water to blend everything together. If you have watched to this extent and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and also put on the post notification bell so you won't miss out any of my upload. And don't forget to share to your loved ones, share to those that you want this video to benefit. So after blending, here we have our smoothie that will help you to burn fat. This smoothie is highly nutritious and it will help in boosting your metabolism. Take this in the morning as your breakfast for 7 days and you will see the best results. Thank you for watching. There are 2 videos that will pop up on the screen at the end of this video. Please do click on any of them to watch the content, and I will see you in my next video. Stay safe and stay blessed. I love you so much. Bye for now.